Thanks for watching. It's Angie with the 18 Realty of Florida Realty Investments. Today I'm out in beautiful Storey Park in Orlando, Florida, right outside of Lake Nona. Storey Park is located super close to the 417 Expressway, which will get you in a jiffy to the Magic Kingdom. You can be playing with Mickey Mouse in just a matter of minutes. Also to downtown Orlando and not too far from the beaches also. We're going to take you inside the main house to start, but you want to notice this door over here. So this is the Independence 2 model, and it has an amazing next generation suite, which you can use as an in-law quarters, rent it out for older siblings that are home, older children that you may have. Since this home is located so close to the University of Central Florida, there's many families who own this home here and have their older college students staying with them. Wait till you see inside. Lennar is known for having everything's included homes. So these homes come with a lot of the features that in other homes may be upgrades. We'll check out the downstairs and then see that next gen suite. Over here to the left is the half bathroom. It's a nice guest bath, along with a 3-car garage. That's right, there's 3 cars that fit inside that garage through there. Wait till you see this kitchen. This massive kitchen here with a large quartz island is just phenomenal. All these homes here in Storey Park built by Lennar do come with the quartz countertops. They come with the tile backsplash. They come with these amazing appliances that are smudge proof, so the kids can rub their hands all over them and they still look beautiful. These homes also come with washer and dryer included, which is not very common. So this large dining room area leads to the family room. It's just an amazing open concept feel. Come check out the next generation suite or in-law quarters. This section of the home has its own entrance outside along with an entrance inside. Stackable washer and dryer. Has a full kitchen, again with quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. Plenty of room for a large dining room table. Then also extends with an open concept to a living room, and then the private suite bedrooms over here. Full bathroom with stand-up shower. A large bedroom with a really deep closet there. And of course these models are always decorated beautifully. Let's go check out the upstairs of this home. Downstairs area. The open concept also leads out to a private patio. This screened-in lanai has plenty of space for a table, a grill. Come on outside. This home sits on a premium lot with a conservation view, and wait till you check out the neighbor's pool. The homes aren't coming with pools built in, but Bob's Pool is a local company that will build a pool for you to any specifications you want. There's plenty of lots here that have tons of room for a pool, screened-in patios, or anything else you'd like to add on. Of course, this is a specialty one with a beautiful waterfall. Thanks for watching my tour of the Independence 2 at Lennar's Storey Park in Lake Nona.